What if luxury didn't just look premium, but actually felt alive? The 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class steps into the spotlight with a presence that instantly commands attention. Up front, that iconic grille doesn't just sit there. It glows with a futuristic identity, blending heritage with cutting-edge innovation. As the light dances across the surface, those digital LED headlights come alive, adapting in real time like they're reading the road ahead before you even get there. Slide to the side, and you'll notice the silhouette, clean, uninterrupted, and effortlessly elegant. This is executive design at its peak, where every line flows with purpose. And then your eyes drop to the alloy wheels, bold, sharp, and aerodynamically sculpted to not only look aggressive, but perform with precision. As you approach, the flush door handles smoothly emerge, welcoming you with a subtle yet sophisticated gesture, proof that even the smallest details are engineered for impact. Moving to the rear, the taillights create a signature look that's unmistakably modern, glowing with a refined confidence that defines luxury from every angle. But wait until night falls, because that's when this car transforms. Under low light, the E-Class doesn't just drive, it illuminates, turning every street into its own runway with a stunning light signature that feels almost cinematic. The deep blue paint reflects its surroundings like a mirror, capturing every highlight and shadow in ultra-realistic detail, giving the car a constantly shifting personality depending on the angle. From a low stance, the design becomes even more powerful, wide, planted, and undeniably athletic, striking the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Look up, and that coupe-inspired roofline sweeps effortlessly toward the rear, adding just the right touch of sportiness without compromising the luxury DNA. Now, as the camera circles around in a full 360-degree spin, you start to realize this isn't just a car, it's a statement. Every inch has been carefully crafted, every curve refined, every surface perfected to deliver a design that feels both timeless and futuristic at the same time.
The moment you open the door, everything changes. This isn't just stepping into a car, it's stepping into a digital sanctuary where luxury meets intelligence. Welcome inside the all-new Mercedes-Benz E-Class 2026, where every detail feels engineered for the future. The dashboard stretches wide like a high-end command center, fully digital, seamlessly integrated, and designed to immerse you in a new driving reality. At the heart of it all lies the stunning MBUX superscreen, dominating the cabin with a bold, glass-like interface that feels more like a premium tech studio than a traditional car interior. Every touch is fluid, every response instant. This system doesn't just react, it anticipates. As your fingers glide across the screen, you feel the precision, the smoothness, the intelligence behind every interaction. And then, the ambient lighting, subtle yet powerful, wraps the cabin in a customizable glow, adapting to your mood, your drive, your vibe. Sink into the seats, and you immediately understand what true comfort means. These aren't just seats, they're sculpted luxury, designed to support, relax, and elevate every journey. Whether you're behind the wheel or enjoying the rear, passengers are treated to a first-class experience that rivals private jets. The redesigned steering wheel feels futuristic in your hands, perfectly balanced, blending tactile feedback with cutting-edge controls. Then comes the sound. Burmester audio surrounds you with rich, crystal-clear tones, transforming your favorite music into a live concert experience inside the cabin. The intelligent climate system works quietly in the background, adjusting airflow and temperature with precision, making every ride feel perfectly tailored. And when you speak, the car listens. Your voice becomes a command, and the advanced assistant responds naturally, making interaction effortless and intuitive. Yes, it even goes a step further, with an in-car selfie camera, turning moments inside the vehicle into memories worth capturing. Convenience meets innovation with wireless charging, keeping your devices powered without clutter, without compromise. As night falls, the cabin transforms into something extraordinary. The lighting, the screens, the reflections, they all come together to create an atmosphere that feels almost otherworldly, like you're inside a luxury spaceship crafted for Earth. And when you take a step back and look at the full cabin, one thing becomes clear. This isn't just an interior, it's an experience, a statement, a vision of what driving should feel like in the modern world. Luxury sedan. It's a perfect fusion of power, intelligence, and pure driving emotion. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class doesn't just move forward, it evolves with you. Press the start button, and instantly, you feel it. Under the hood lies precision engineering at its finest. A seamless blend of turbocharged performance and hybrid efficiency delivers power exactly when you need it, and efficiency when you don't even think about it. The moment you hit the road, everything changes. Acceleration feels smooth, yet incredibly responsive, like the car already knows your next move. Whether you're cruising through city streets or gliding down an open highway, the E-Class maintains a level of comfort that feels almost unreal. And then comes the suspension. Every bump, every rough patch, gone. It's like driving on air. Yet, when the road twists, this luxury sedan transforms. Sharp, confident handling gives you full control, proving that comfort and performance can absolutely coexist. Switch between drive modes, and the personality of the car shifts instantly. From relaxed comfort to aggressive sport, this car adapts to your mood in seconds. Inside, the cabin remains whisper quiet, isolating you from the chaos of the outside world. But push the pedal harder, and it responds immediately. No hesitation, just pure, refined power. And as the sun sets, with the road stretching endlessly ahead, one thing becomes clear. This is performance wrapped in elegance. Now, step into the future, because this car is more than just performance. The 2026 E-Class is loaded with advanced driver assistance systems designed to make every journey safer and smarter. And honestly, it's hard to beat. This is the future of luxury driving. Subscribe for more premium car reviews. See you on the next drive.